already. I'm late. I know. So it's unboxing day. And yes, I'm late because this is September's unboxing and it is October. But I have to tell you, like, I've had a lot going on. Listen, as you can see, it's been so busy. September was crazy busy, right? So, and then Fashion Week was all week, and it literally, I felt like it took my week. Side note, if you haven't seen part 1 of Fashion Week, Philly Fashion Week, then I'm gonna need you to go check that out. And by the time you see this, part 2 will be up. So then you will see why I was so crazy busy and was unable to do our unboxing. But here it is, Birchbox's unboxing for September. And I also have a little surprise here for us because I ordered a couple of things off of Izzy and Liv. And I don't even remember what I got. So they had like some kind of special deal, and so I grabbed a couple things from them as well. So I want to share that with you today. But let's get into it. So listen, if you are new here to this channel, then you don't know that I do a monthly unboxing, which the faves love. And I have Birchbox. So everyone has heard of probably Ipsy. What's the other one? There's another one that everyone knows about, but Ipsy's one of them. And there are a couple more out there. There's so many subscription boxes at this point, but there's a beauty box. I've had Target in the past, but I have been a fan of Birchbox forever. Side note, this is not a sponsored video. I pay for my Birchbox every single month on my own because I just love it so much. And I've had Birchbox forever, literally forever, for like years now. But OMG, so I just opened my box, and so here's the box for the month. It's just kind of plain this month, actually. However, look at that, there's something in here. It is a makeup bag, all the things. How cute is that? Uh-oh. Birchbox is something big. I did not know this is gonna come with it this time because I'm almost positive that was not what I picked. But anyway, here's my box. And so we'll open it up, and there's so much going on inside. I'm so excited. Okay, join the party. So this is a card that you will always get with your Birchbox, similar to every other box. It's Customer Appreciation Day was September 18th. So they're giving us some goodies apparently. It's their 9th anniversary, which is kind of cool. They've been around for 9 years, and I've probably been with them for a good 6. So, but on the back, you will see all of the items that are in your box. There's this little sticker, page of stickers, which is kind of cute. I'll use this for my planning. Anybody else a planner? I'm a planner too. Erin Condren. So, hey Erin. So here is the little stickers, and then open up the box, and there is tons of goodies. Tons of goodies. Tons of goodies. Okay, obviously you'll always get your little discount card. So that's always cool. But there's some good stuff in here. And I know I picked this one, so this time I picked on time. So I know what's in here. So at least I remember a couple of the things that are in here. So first up, Avene cleansing gel. Cleanance? It's a Cleanance cleansing gel. Okay, that is interesting. And it says that it's infused with French, thermal spring water. Let's get it. This purifying cleanser gently removes grime without stripping your skin of its natural oils. This is nice, very pretty. I'm liking this. Okay, so that's the first thing in our box. Next is Daily Concepts. It is a multifunctional soap sponge in mother of pearl. You had me at hello, my goodness. So this is a soap sponge hybrid. So there's soap in the sponge. Combines an inflammation reducing mother of pearl body wash with a gentle exfoliating scrubber. So you can skip a step in the shower. So wait, this is for the body. Birchbox. Uh-oh, I love it. It comes in gentle, mild, and vigorous. I'm just looking at the packaging here, and this is mild. So I'm excited to try this one. Ooh, did anybody else get this in their Birchbox? Has anybody else heard of this by Daily Concepts? A multifunctional soap sponge mother in mother of pearl. Love it. Okay, next. Davines. This is, oh yes, this is a MOMO moisturizing shampoo, which contains melon from Sicily. Oh, this shampoo features a creamy foam formula designed to moisturize even the driest of hair types. Nice. And it also comes with a conditioner. You know how I feel about hair products from Birchbox, but you know what? Sounds pretty good. Okay, someone's gonna be very lucky to get that. Next up is a Punk Volumizing Mascara. Let's do it. This is by DOUCCE. Eyes look at that packaging. I'm liking that. Eyes look wide awake when they're met with this big brush mascara that separates and fully coats each lash by pulling them apart. While pulling them upward for falsies-like volume. Now you know I love a mascara. My favorite is actually Milk, which I actually got the Birchbox. Has anybody ever tried Milk mascara? Literally, I thought I was walking around with, like, everybody's like, do you have no falsies? I was like, no, they're mine. Wow, look at that. Look at that baby. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. Can't wait to try that one. Okay, perfect. And then it's Sunday Riley's C.E.O. Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. So turmeric is like one of the new things, one of these trends that's happening in beauty that I'm not mad at, okay? So this brightens and hydrates the skin with this fast absorbing oil. Golden turmeric evens out the tone, while evening primrose oil inside gives an overall glow. You can mix it in your moisturizer or just use it in place. Sorry, that wasn't the English side. Sorry about that. By Sunday Riley, which I actually like, Sunday Riley products. Okay, next is, I'm gonna say Tipsy, a lip crush lip oil. This sweetly scented moisturizing stain, I love a stain, hydrate your lips while adjusting to their natural pH, imparting a just for you hue that lasts all day. Love that. Oh, very nice. Okay, perfect. Good job, Birchbox. I'm liking all of these products, and I always say, so if you're somebody like me, like I can't keep up, right? So there's so many beauty trends, fashion trends, like I just can't keep up with every single one of them. But that's why I like getting my Birchbox every month, because it keeps me up to date on what is happening, what's trending in beauty. I felt like I was like the last person to know about a cut crease, so I was like, that's it, you know. So if you're somebody like me who is just busy, right, like just busy with life, you got a lot going on, then getting a Birchbox may be the thing for you. So I'm going to, in the description box below, I'm going to give you a link so that you can try out Birchbox and see if you like it. Get a box or two. I love how it comes in this new little, or I love how they gave me this new little makeup bag. I'll tell you so you all know, and is it next week? Oh my God, it's next week. Oh my God. I'll be in Mexico. So we're going to, Viva la Mexico! Viva la Mexico! So we're going to Mexico, me and my girlfriends, for a destination wedding. You met her a couple of vlogs ago when we did some downtown shopping. So she's getting married in a couple weeks. So we're all going to Mexico for her destination wedding. So this will be great to throw my little stuff in, right? Very cute. Thanks, Birchbox. Really good. So again, I mean, it's one of those things where, like, you're like me, and you can't keep up, you're working, you're busy, you got kids, whatever the case may be. This is on the Birchbox. You need to stay up to date on everything. So this is my Izzy and Liv stuff that I got. And so as you can see, there's a lot going on here, and honestly, I don't even remember what I got. I know I got 5 things, right? But then I got an email that one of the things was sold out. So they gave me my money back. And so I have 4 things in here. So I don't even remember what they are. So first we'll start with this. I'm not really sure, again, what is in here. But it looks like a pair of ear. Ooh, I remember this. This is a gorgeous brooch. Tell me that is not pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes, I love it. I had a hard time picking. Very pretty brooch. I don't know why I love like brooches and pins. I don't know what it does, but love them. I don't, great. I don't have scissors. Oh, Jesus. So this is, I mean, way to go, Izzy and Liv. Keep open the thing. Okay, here we go. Oh, no, I lied. Okay, here we go. Yay, we're in. Okay, this is a Papaya Nectar Body and Atmosphere Mist. So, spray in the air. I actually like these kind of mists. You just like spray them around a room. I use a lot in my, like on my bed, a lot of lavender sprays. So this is a Papaya Nectar, again, Body Atmosphere Mist. You can spray it on your clothing, your linen. It says body, I probably won't do that. And throughout your room, take a look. Very nice, yes. I don't remember ordering this, I'm gonna be honest. Okay. I don't know. Anyway, next up is, this is cute, whatever it is. I don't remember this either. Okay. I'm almost positive I didn't order this, but it's cute. It is a pillowcase, I'm gonna say. It's a pillowcase. I'm thinking. I mean, I don't know what the heck this thing is. Yeah, it is. Okay, I found it. Yeah, there it is. Yay, this is cute. I like that. Very cute. And then this, I remember I ordered. I thought this was adorable. It's a tote bag. I love a good tote. So, Izzy and Liv is a small company. They do actually monthly subscription boxes. I got a couple of them, but I didn't really use the products that were inside. I felt like I was giving a lot of them away, and I was just like, this is a lot of money to just be not really using. So I figured every now and then if I wanted like a really cute t-shirt, or if I you know, just saw something on their site that I wanted, I would just go ahead and buy it, you know what I mean? But look at this cute little tote. What's a cute little tote to go shopping with? Like if I'm downtown or whatever and I just want to go to the Reading Terminal or something, or do some shopping. Even if I'm like in Chestnut Hill on Germantown Ave, like no matter where I am, you know, you can just grab this little bag and like do some shopping. So I thought that was cute. I actually do like Izzy and Liv, but you know, they have mixed reviews, I will be honest. They have very mixed reviews, but I like their stuff. I mean, really cute. So that is it, faves, for September's unboxing. In October, we will have another unboxing in just a couple weeks, but that will be after our trip to Mexico. I'm going to link for you in the description box below all of the items that I got here today, as well as the prices, and then where you can get your items. Let me know in the comments below a couple of these things, especially on the Birchbox side, that you're really interested in me trying, and then I will go ahead and try that and let you know how it is. Again, they have some really good stuff this month, and so I'm excited to try them. So I'll let you know how I make out. And I think that's it, babes. Quick and easy, wasn't it? If you are not already subscribed to this channel, I ask that you hit that little red button below for me. Thank you. Follow me in my day-to-day highlights on Instagram, living_for_the_city. Like me on Facebook, Living for the City 77. And that is it. I will see you next time. Bye.